There, Phil Thompson with streamingchurch.tv. Today we're going to show you how you can upload large files to your streamingchurch.tv on-demand server. So first thing you want to do is have something like FTP software, which stands for File Transfer Protocol, if I believe correctly. And what you want to do is you want to download something like Filezilla. We recommend Filezilla, and let's see where I can take you here where you can find it. Let's go over here. Yeah, there you go. So filezilla-project.org is where you go, and then you want to click download Filezilla client, and it's free. And again, there's other FTP software, but we kind of like Filezilla, and it's something you can use to upload files. So let's talk about where you can get the credentials, because you're going to want to have credentials. I'll drag this over here, and this is my version of FTP software, and this is Filezilla, and you'd put your host. We'll give you credentials. I'll show you where to get that in a moment. You put your host, your username, and your password. You don't have to worry about port. You can click Quick Connect. And over here is where I have files on my local hard drive, my computer, and I can take a file and drag it over here to the right side, and that's going to go to your on-demand server if you put the right credentials in. Does that make sense? Now, where do you get those credentials? Well, let's go to my recordings over here on the left and go to FTP settings, and here is where you would get your host, your FTP login, and your password. Now, obviously, these are bogus credentials here because we don't want you using my credentials. But once you enter that information over here in your host and all that good stuff, and click Quick Connect, then you will have your files over here. And over here is where you can drag files to the on-demand server, and then you can link them going into the admin control panel of your Media Vault, which we have a help video for. So I hope that makes sense. Always reach out to us if you need anything at streamingchurch.tv. I'm Phil Thompson. Have yourself a great day.